Hello everybody, welcome back to another Canva tutorial. In this one, we're going to use Canva's new AI functionality to create lesson plans. If you're a teacher, professor, and you want to create a lessons plan and you don't want to have to write it all out and make it, go through all that process, watch this. I'm going to show you how to do it in like under a minute. This is crazy. And of course, you can edit it and adjust it. Okay, go on into canva.com. You'll see I'm logged in. The next step, I'm going to go ahead and click on Create a Design. And then the one I want is Doc. So I'm going to click on Create a Design Doc. When I do that, new browser opens up. And what we get is this little plus icon. And when we hover over it, it says Add Magic. This is called Magic Write. Click on that. And then here you get a few options, the design and all that. But click on Magic Write. You get 25 of these a month on the free plan, and if you've got Canva Pro, you get, I believe, unlimited amounts. But what we see here is when we click on it, we can go ahead and write in what we want. So in this case, lesson plan. So write grade 11 lesson plan about Macbeth. And the three witches. Make it interactive. Add quotes, quotes, references, citations as needed, something like that. Click enter. Watch this. It'll take a few seconds and it's going to give us a really good lesson plan. Holy smokes, look at this. So here we go, grade 11 lesson plan about what we just said. I'm just going to go ahead and delete that. Okay, and I'm going to delete this line. It says, sure, here's a lesson plan as requested, basically. Title. Uncovering the role of the three witches in Macbeth. Objective. Students will critically analyze the role of the three witches. Here are the materials. You need a copy of Shakespeare, whiteboard markers. Of course, if I don't agree with this, if I don't need whiteboard and markers, I can just go ahead and delete it, and it's gone. And then here we go. Here's the procedure. Here's what we do during the class. Show a clip of three witches in a movie adaptation of Macbeth. Group discussions, mini lecture, etc., etc., etc. If you don't like any of these things or if you want to change it, just go ahead and add in what you want. Here's the assessment. Here's the citations. We did it in like 1 minute. That's all there is to it. Canva AI is incredible, especially if you're a teacher. I hope this helped. Be back soon.